A silver swan. Oh my gosh. I guess it's a busy day. They only have 2 carts left. Look at these puppies. Look at this one. Should I get him? All right, I don't think I'm getting him. I tried to pick him up. Oh my gosh, he's so heavy. Yeah, this little guy is made out of concrete. All right, lots of people are digging over here, so I wonder if maybe they just changed these walls out. I'm gonna follow the crowd. Come dig. Christmas stuff that's broken. Sounds like the music isn't loud today, so I might be able to take y'all digging a little bit more and not have to talk the whole time. What are these? Little drum ornaments. This box feels empty. Yeah. Books. Oh, I might go in here. CDs. Oh, is this NSYNC? No. New Kids on the Block. Oh, there was probably something good in there. Broken glass. Always got to be careful when you dig in. Bunko. I wonder if all the pieces are here. I want this game. Well, all I found was this little rabbit right here and this cute little penguin. I don't know where they come from, but they're adorable and tiny. I might have just found another creepy baby doll to add to my collection. Look at her eyes. Her outfit is precious though. Should I get her? This is cute. Look at this little statue. I think this is soap, y'all. It feels like soap or a candle. I don't know, but I'm getting it. Lots of stuff in this bin right here. What in the world? I think that's like a leaf platter. It's missing some feet. Christmas greenery. What is this? It's plastic. It's a ladder for a bunk bed. I don't know, something else. I don't know what that is. Oh, there's another one over here. What is this? It has holes there. So it seems like it goes on the wall like this. I don't know. This looks like an adult size smocked Christmas dress. Do I need this? I think it's homemade too. There's no tags on it. Another giant teddy bear just chilling in the bin. I thought this might be a Christmas tree, but it's not. It's just garland. Suitcase, lots of clothing today. Shelf. I think this is a table. That might be the rest of it. It's all broken up. Some artwork. Some flowers. Oh, they got a big rug in this bin. It's a big old pine cone. Looks like something's growing on it though. Leave that here. What is this? Oh, it's a big paper clip. I think it went on that piece right there. Y'all, maybe my luck has run out. Our amazing streak at the Goodwill Bins may have come to an end. Ooh. This is somebody's artwork. I can't read the signature, The sides are kind of dirty, but I wonder if I can clean this up. And I'm sure I have a frame for it. I just love when I find good artwork at the bins. It might have been in this frame, but this frame has some issues. I'm gonna look through my stash, or maybe I'll find a different frame here, so put that in. What is this? It's heavy. What is this? Laser labels. Oh, address labels. Dang, this is like a giant box of them. I don't need any, but let me put that up here. Maybe somebody else will see it and need it. Here is a 2.5 foot potted Douglas fir unlit tree, but whoever had this, they left ornaments and lights on it. Honestly, I'll probably remove those, but it has a pot, so this is perfect. I can just stick it in a crock or whatever, and it's good to go, and I could add some lights to it if I want. So another Christmas tree coming home with me. Ooh, look at this lamp right here. It has an interesting shape. It has this pattern on it. This is cute. And you know, I have that whole collection of lampshades now. I just don't know where I would put this. It might need to be rewired too. I don't know, I think I'm gonna leave it here. Seeing stuff like this makes me really sad to see that it's been donated. Okay, so first of all, look at that cute little face, but look at the bottom. Somebody wrote on it. Should I rescue this piece or leave it here? Oh my gosh. This little guy is adorable. I don't have dogs, but any animal with a little bow, that's cute. Oh, it says made in Germany too. I wonder if this is an older piece. No cracks on it. Excellent condition. I think this little cutie's coming home with me. What should we name him? Y'all come up with a name. Or her, right? It has a bow. What is her name? This looks like Vera Bradley. It is. There's a signature right there. I did not know that Vera Bradley made stockings. I would love to get one for my girls in their pattern. I don't know if that's just a southern thing where you bring your girls into Vera Bradley and they pick out their pattern, and then you get all of their stuff, you know, all the different things that Vera Bradley offers in their pattern. Should I get this? Might need to look it up. Ooh, what is this? It's heavy. Okay, Real Home. I thought this was a vintage piece. I got very excited, but it's not. And it has a chip right there. Still really pretty though. I'm gonna put it up at the top. Maybe somebody else will get it. That's a vintage piece right there. That is not my cart. Somebody else's cart. Oh, that's pretty. That's a really pretty bowl. But it has a chip. I don't need it. I'm gonna leave it here. Let's see what else is in here. I don't know if this is a vase. Okay, yeah, it is. It's a vase, big and heavy. This looks like milk glass, but it is broken. That's a shame. There's the other piece right there. I just found a mummy costume. Definitely a first. This is the brand right here. It looks like really good quality. It would fit either one of my middle kids, and honestly it probably fit me. It's gonna be about $2, $3 at the most at the Goodwill Bins, so I'm gonna get it and see if anybody in my house wants it for Halloween. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Things are moving slow. They haven't even changed out the wall since I've been here, and most of the new bins they're bringing out is all clothing. So I only got a few things. I found this fall floral hydrangea. This that I can't figure out if it's soap or a candle. If you've ever seen this and know what it is, let me know. Our cute little puppy friend that we're gonna name. And a little bunny, a little penguin, a piece of art. I got the Vera Bradley stocking right there, mummy costume, and another Christmas tree. So I will put a total on the screen of what I spent, and I will see y'all in the next thrifting adventure. I was in line to check out, and they brought a new bin, and I got some stuff. Okay, look at these rusty things. What does this remind y'all of? This is definitely going in my DIY stash. Let me know if you know what I'm gonna do with these. And then I got some silver. So a bunch of salt and pepper shakers. Look at all these. But a silver swan tray. So that was a good score. Luckily that bin was literally right here and I could just stay in line while I dug.